Is this thing working? Today I'm going to take you along while I do some portrait photography with my friend Jordan. I'm going to Itaewon in Seoul most likely. I may not end up there, but I am going to Seoul most definitely. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like down below and come along with me. Alright, so let's get started. Let's see. Maybe stand somewhere around right here. Let's see, let me take a few warm-up shots. Let's see, let me get you in frame. Drop the ISO a bit. Alright, let's see. Take the sunglasses off. It's not sunny out. Yeah, let's see. I'm first trying to get it with Namsam in the back. Yeah, oh, that one was good. Looking that way. Let me fix this. I think this one came out pretty good because you could see the shadow in the background. Alright. Actually, just try to sit. Sit up here. Especially because people are coming through. Because then we could get the nice, like, decal, the graffiti on the side. Alright, that was good. Yeah, that was good. So let's see. Maybe. Yeah, try your glasses on. Let's see. Yeah, that's good. Maybe look towards me. Yeah. Oh. Let's see. Let me get one from over here to try to get more of the wall. Oh, just like that. Yeah. Stay right there. I really like that one. That one came out good. And actually, all right. So I like this one. That one was good. Thai cuisine. Why did you say that? Oh. I'm trying to think because I want take advantage of the long alleyway, but oh, maybe if you lean against the wall here on the left side.
Keep my camera or no?
Yeah, you can hold on to it.
And I'll take my glasses off.
Yeah. So let's see. Let's get some of the graffiti on the side.
Smile.
Let's see. Yeah, who would smile? Good. And then let's see. Try one without the sunnies. That's a good shot. I like that one. Okay, so I have an idea. So sit down here with put your stuff like this there. Other side? Yeah. So there. Sit down. Put your legs like around here, like a little spread apart, like shoulder width. Move up a little bit on the step, like to the edge, and then put your feet on the step down. Yeah. Both of them. Straight like that. lean over a little bit. Like that, just like that.
Look at you.
So let's do one looking at me first.
Smile or frown?
Nah, we'll do no smile first. Do like a little serious, you know? And let's do one like chin up looking at the pole. One, a little more towards me. Okay, like that. And then, let's see. Now, maybe try the hat backwards. Yeah, that would probably look good. Yeah, hat backwards like that. Let's wait for these people to come down. All right. So maybe legs wide open and then elbow on each left, like that. Oh, Jersey. All right. New Jersey shirt, yeah. All right, so let's see what. Let me get one more, a little lower. Yeah, that's good. That one's good, actually. Hold up. All right. So let's get a last shot here in the cozy corner. What's up?
How should I pose?
So put your legs out, like don't fold them, cross them. Yeah, try to sit like that, a little more natural. Maybe turn your torso, keep your legs, keep your legs where they were. Turn your torso a tiny bit, like that. Yeah, excellent. And then, let's see, I'm gonna get one real quick. All right, let me try one landscape now. Push, let's see, lean back a little bit. And yeah, that's good. Let's see, try one. Keep the glasses on, hat backwards. Let's do the hat backwards. One more time, let's see. All right, I like that one. Let me do it one more time. Yeah, I like the style, that's good. Yeah, I like these. Yeah, it's going pretty good. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below and comment which was your favorite shot. And I'll see you in the next one.